So for our first question, we're going to ask how many people for the pictographs did curling. So we're going to count out of 26 pictographs. Three of them are curling, so that's 3 over 26. So for that, you would divide it, which is 0.12. So then I'm going to do 0.12 times 100, which would be 12. So the answer is 12% of the pictographs on the board are curling. Hey guys, so in this clip I'm going to be asking how many things in the vending machine cost $2. So whatever it will be is out of 8 items, because that's how many things are in the vending machine. So right now I'm going to be highlighting all the items that cost $2. So it's going to be 7 over 8 because 7 of the items in the vending machine cost $2. So then you divide that, which would be 0.88. Now you're going to take 0.88 and times it by 100, which would be 88. So 88% of the things in the milk machine cost $2. So for our final question, we're going to be asking how many sticky notes on this door are green. So in total, there are 13 notes, so it'll be over 13. And now let's count the green ones. There are 8 green sticky notes on the door. So now you divide that, which would equal 0.62. Now you're going to times that by 100, which would equal 62. So 62% of the sticky notes on the door are green. Thanks for watching.